Hello friends, welcome back to another video from Shomu's Biology. Again, this video is all about the biotechnology jobs for January 2022. Remember, I promised you that in every single month I'll be talking about biotechnology job, biotechnology, microbiology, zoology, botany, physiology, any field you choose. I get this comment like almost 2-3 comment later I'll get it like, what about zoology, what about botany, what about physiology? Basically, when I say biotechnology job openings, I'm talking about biotechnology, microbiology, zoology, botany, physiology, all this kind of, because all these different disciplines of life science will come under the same life science field, and all the jobs that are available will be for all these fields. But basically, yeah, microbiology and biotechnology people get a little more advantage while applying for the jobs because they are kind of industry ready compared to the zoology, botany, physiology, which are classical subjects. So that's why people are not studying classical subjects anymore. They are focused to study modern biology subjects like biotechnology and microbiology. So basically, when you talk about biotechnology job openings or microbiology job openings, we're talking about job openings in life science field. So this time, the biotechnology job openings in January 2022, I've listed some of the jobs, and again, for the freshers as well as experienced people. For the freshers, the jobs are medical coding jobs and all these things which is there. I'm also going to talk about the difference between the different websites from where we'll be getting the job. Naukri, which is not very good, filled with all the medical coding jobs. Then LinkedIn is a good one, of course, a very authentic one, and the second one is Indeed, which is also good. Shine is good if you want to search for the jobs in your own city or own state. Now basically, when we search for the jobs, we'll see that the jobs are more predominant in Bangalore, in in Tamil Nadu, it's also in the Lucknow, in Mumbai, Pune, those places, compared to Kolkata and other places. So see, this upper side, like the North India, is lagging behind in terms of biotechnology job. Again, the same thing is happening in January 2022. And also I've listed some of these jobs which can be done work from home, through work from home mode, due to the COVID-19 pandemic. So without further delay, let's look into the list of different jobs. And this time I'm going to share my screen with you because many people asked me to share the screen. And remember, this job that I'm talking about is actually recorded in 20th January 2022. So obviously these job vacancies will be new until 1 or 2 weeks, and after that the jobs will be gone and new jobs will come in. But the links are active. You can see where to just search for the links and you can go and search for the jobs. Okay, so let's see the job vacancies for biotechnology students in January 2022. Alright, so now we are going to see the different job opportunities that is there. So like every single time, I've selected few websites. I've selected Naukri.com, I've selected Indeed, I've selected LinkedIn, and DBT India, along with that Biotech Careers and the Shine.com. All these websites are there, and this time I'm going to provide the link before, because sorry that in the last video I forget to add and attach. And right now I'm also sharing the site with you so that you can see the job opening. So like every single time, the very first set of jobs are medical coding jobs, and for this COVID time period, for this pandemic time period, there is always work from home for medical coding jobs. And you can see that Achiever Spot always give this job out there, and the salary range is 325 lakh to 450 lakh per annum. And anyone, biotech, microbiology, zoology, physiotherapy, physiology, pharmacist, biochemistry, all these different positions can apply. This is most recent job. And you can see the medical coding jobs, the salary ranges from 250 lakh per annum to 550 lakh per annum. For a fresher, they give you 14k to 18k per month. And if I click on one of this job, and if you're experienced, then it will be little more. Okay, so you can see all the different disciplines. Any discipline from biology can go there. Experienced person can even draw 40,000 to 50,000 per month salary. So the companies there, Achiever Spot and Skills Media Coding Solutions, these are all consultancy type companies. And as I mentioned always, that if you're applying through consultancy, make sure that you check their track record and invest wisely, otherwise your money can be lost. So then Alpha Medical Coding Solutions, Achiever Spot, I'm not promoting any of that. One more thing that I must share, I'm just sharing all the job openings there. Alpha Medical Coding Jobs and Achiever Spot is always, Achiever Spot almost gives like every single day through 2-3 times they put the advertisement. So make sure that they are good enough to put you through the telephonic interview first, and then rest of the interviews. and this is all about the medical coding. Okay, so once that is done, in actually I've checked the in Naukri, if you search for in naukri.com, if you search for biotechnology jobs, mostly you'll get all this, medical coding and all this kind of job which you can do from work from home. So if you want to work from home type of jobs right now, medical coding is the one. So if you want exactly concrete job like wet lab job and something, then move to LinkedIn or move to Indeed. For example, Indeed, you can see that Freelance Tech Academy, a golden opportunity for licensed graduate, 10,000 to 30,000 a month. That's the salary there. Female healthcare sales consultant needed, Chandigarh, 20,000 to 25,000 per month. Research scientist in Syngenta, this is another job. Subject matter expert in biotechnology, Education Private Limited, 12,500 to 18,000 a month. Okay, you can apply it directly through this website, and better to apply it directly through the website. If you get the employer's number from the website, you can directly go there. If I click here, you can see subject matter expert, the details listed in here. 1 year's experience preferred, freshers can also apply. Okay, temporary, this job is temporary due to COVID-19. The job is posted 2 days ago. And Amrita University has junior research fellowship, so you can apply for that. There are 3 positions only for MSc, MTech, Biotech, Microbiology, Nanotechnology. R&D scientist in Honeywell, this is a good one, good company. R&D scientist in Honeywell, you can apply for it. Okay, experience needed 1 to 3 years. Field applicant scientist, Centile Biotech. Okay, BTech, MSc in Biotechnology, Microbiology, or any branch of life sciences can appear. Job experience, freshers can apply. QC specialist in Novozymes, again good company, Novozyme, Bangalore, Karnataka, and also the Centile Biotech is also in Bangalore, Karnataka. R&D engineer scientist, Bangalore, Karnataka. So these are all Bangalore based job opportunities, and I already mentioned that in my earlier videos that if you want to get a wet lab job easily, I mean not easily, comparatively easily, then you need to maybe migrate to the southern part of the India, that is Bangalore, Hyderabad, and in this side Gujarat. So these are the places where you will get it. So QA specialist, this is another job in Novozymes. Okay, the bigger companies with much reputable scale, they don't disclose their salary in their job opening. They don't disclose much, so you need to apply, and once you go there, then you will discuss about the salary and all. Research scientist in Reliance Industries, Navi Mumbai. Reliance get vacancies time to time, so you can go for R&D here. Research analyst, this is another placement firm, placement leadership team. There's a placement firm, 20,000, 25,000 in Kolkata, and that is any kind. So basically this is not, so leave it, this is not the right one, because this is basically a category type job. Don't need to go with that. Research scientist, Piramal Enterprise, this is a good one. Research scientist in Piramal Enterprise organization. Piramal is a pharma organization. Shift is regular, you can go there, go for this interview. Then Nabi in Punjab, project scientist 1, research associate 1, and junior research fellow. 3 different positions are there. All are temporary positions, so that means they are not a permanent project based thing. You cannot do PhD as a junior research fellow. It's known as National Agri-Food Biotechnology Institute, or NABI. But I think as a fresher, if you can apply for that and gain some experience and build some contact, that's a good idea. You can go for it as a fresher. Okay. So principal investigator name is mentioned, co-principal investigator, all the names are mentioned with detailed application procedure. You can go for that. The salary will be 31,000 per month. Lab officer, PhD in biochemistry needed in Bhubaneswar. Thyrocare Technologies. So Thyrocare Technology, they are diagnostic technology providers, and here you have PhD biochemistry is needed. Experience 1 to 5 years. Openings 5. The details listed, you can directly apply there. career@thyrocare.com, and there is also place, and this is in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Then we can see medical writer job in Crazy Fox Solutions in Lucknow. The hiring is done in the urgently basis. Day shift, total work 1 year required. It says the experience 1 year is mandatory. Now pharma, biotech, market research is another thing. This mostly market research and this is not a online based job. This is offline based job that you can appear in. So these are the type of jobs. At least you can see the Indeed's job quality is little better than Naukri. Naukri is only medical, flooded with medical coding job, which is not always good enough. So these are the job opportunity that we discussed in Lucknow, that we discussed in Bhubaneswar. In Kolkata was not there. It was in Bangalore. and all these places. So now if you move to LinkedIn, there are some more job that I have enlisted here. Head of research in Trident Paints. Paint is something where you can apply for this position, but biochemistry and chemistry basically is needed. Then medical project manager position is there. You can see that the one good thing about LinkedIn is that you can directly apply through LinkedIn if you have already if you are already added to LinkedIn. It's good that you build LinkedIn profile properly so that you can directly act. And the better thing is that the CEO and the CEO or anyone from that company HR can see your CV and everything, and he can directly shortlist you, select you. Lakshmi Infotech in Delhi has a life science graduate BSc MSc Biotechnology Microbiology. For a job opening, freshers can apply, 0 to 3 years experience. Nothing more is explained here. Okay. Then VetServe India in New Delhi, again VetServe. What is VetServe? Fast at growing referral veterinary diagnostic lab, and you can appear in there as a biotechnologist. Associate scientist is needed in Johnson and Johnson, and actually this kind of vacancy earlier came. I already talked about it. Another vacancy is there, so you can go for that. There's a big name, so you can go for it. Then there is a team member like in silico studies or biomedical studies, in silico studies in Mumbai, Maharashtra for Cipla. So again another recognized well-to-do company. You can go there for R&D position. You can see the respiratory devices R&D position is there. The employee type is permanent, and you can see all the details listed there. Experience needed 2 to 5 years experience in the devices field. So obviously it's not for the freshers. Pharmacovigilance course in Clini Resources, Clini India, Clini Resource, they always like get you all these vacancies all the time. So you can go that Delhi based company, Clini Resource have this vacancy, you can go for that. Okay. And research scientist in BVG Life Sciences, you can apply in Pune, Maharashtra. Then microbiology technicians needed in Apurva, Bangalore, Karnataka. You can see all the details. Okay, so the candidate need to handle the documented testing process of SOPs and all these things. So it's a full-time job, and so basically this is a dry lab job, but you can apply for it. Microbiologist needed in Actalent, which is in Tamil Nadu, India. Okay. Job description: normal QC QA work for the company, full-time job, so you can apply for it. So choose the job wisely, whether you need full-time or part-time, whether you work from home is allowed or not. BTN Physio Hub requires a microbiologist, which is in Jaipur, Rajasthan. So you can see almost in different parts of the country there are different job openings that is listed in LinkedIn as well as in the Indeed. Okay. Senior Research Associate Engineer Brain is another example. You can see 3+ years experience needed. So remember the experience. Many a time students appear and ask me a question like, I am a fresher, the experience is needed 2 years, 3 years, can I apply? The answer is yes, you can apply, you can take your chances. There's no nothing down, like nothing to be lost at this moment. So you can always appear in it. Okay, so whether if your resume seems good, but you need to make a good resume, otherwise you cannot apply for it. Then you have scientist position in Cambrian Bioworks, that is in Bangalore, Karnataka. You can see it requires a scientist level 3 expert in assay designing and all these things. So obviously go through the one more thing is that go through the details. Sometimes what happens, you just see that and simply apply now. Please go through the details. You don't need to spam the whole thing, like whatever thing comes you are applying for it. Don't do that. Go through the job description. If it fits you, then find out why, and then write to the HR, write to the hiring authority the way that is required. That is better. Okay. Nirma University needed laboratory assistant. Okay, Nirma University is Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Biotechnology engineering internship is going on in Gurgaon. Genes to Me Private Limited is the company name. You can see 41 people applied for it. That's another good thing about LinkedIn, that shows how many people applied for it. So Gurgaon, Haryana, this is another one. In Goa, microbiologist needed in Pathak recruitment service. So recruitment service, this is a consultancy based job, and I always tell you to avoid consultancy based job at the very beginning. So don't go for it. Okay. So you can see rest of them are kind of repeatedly posting their job openings. So basically these are the job openings that are there in the LinkedIn. And now if you go to dbtindia.gov.in, you can see the government job and positions of Department of Biotechnology India, and you can see advertisement for the post of registrar RCB. Okay, Advertisement for the post of chief executive officer CIAB, so obviously no chance. These are some totally different kind of vacancies, so let's close it up. Okay, so now we'll move to the last one, that is shine.com. You can go for like different jobs here in the left hand side. Senior consultant clinical research, biotech. Clinical research is as a like postgraduate diploma course that I always mention many people to do, go for if they don't have time for academic career ahead. So 4 to 6 years experience needed, as senior consultant position is free. You can go for that if you already have the experience, if you are from this clinical research field. Otherwise don't go for it. Application specialist is there, that is Professional Biotech Private Limited in Kolkata. Professional Biotech Private Limited Kolkata offering that. And you can see the location is listed: Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Bangalore, Pune. So basically this is a consultancy. When you see things like this, everything is mentioned like that, that's a consultancy for sure. Okay, and avoid consultancies at the very beginning. If they are good consultancy and if they are reputed, if you get to know about them from someone who got jobs from them, then only go for it. Okay, diagnostic specialist, sales. Again you can see the sales, different job openings are mentioned by this Kolkata consultants. And the problem with Kolkata here is that I am belonging, like I am from Kolkata, so I know this process very well, that most of them, they are consultancies, and when you go there they will charge you high amount. They will say that you give us 5,000 10,000 rupees, then we'll provide you the 4 5 3 6, and they'll say the 10 20 interviews. But basically in Kolkata there are not many jobs available in the production field, so they will give you like 10,000 12,000 per month job, one or two, something like that in a month or so, and then they will stop picking your calls. So this is something is happening in Kolkata. I'm not talking about particularly the companies we are talking here, I don't know about them, but this is the situation that goes on in Kolkata. So, and if you select any other state of yours or say city of yours, you'll see that. Okay, so you can see in Kolkata you'll get the sales manager, area sales manager, senior executive, all these things. So basically they are sales jobs that you are going to get. The pharma sales job, medical representative jobs, that's what are present here, okay, as a job section. So I believe we conclude the whole idea here. Basically the good jobs that we found out is in the indeed.com and also in the linkedin.com. The Naukri.com is mostly filled with all these medical coding jobs. There is nothing new to it. And if you select work from home WFH during COVID, this filter will give you all the job openings that are posted, which can be done from like with the work from home mode. Okay, you can see these are all medical coding institutes. Okay, so that is kind of it. Alright, so I believe you have a clear idea now. This time I shared my screen so that you get to know about all the job vacancies that are available there. So that is all about the biotechnology job vacancy. And again, biotechnology means biotechnology, microbiology, zoology, botany, physiology, biochemistry, molecular biology. You belong to any discipline of biological sciences, this will be the job vacancies for you. Okay, so that's it. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to this channel to get more videos like that in future. Thank you. Bye.